Happy Friday, YouTube. Oh, I had another pickup. I got another computer shop in town giving me stuff, so I got a box full of power supplies. And a box full of motherboards and cords. It's a nice video card. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more towers to take apart. And then this Pioneer stereo, it is heavy, so there must be a really good transformer in there. But I still got that stack to do. Right now I'm getting ready for a collector's sale tomorrow in our local town, so I'm out gathering things up. Found some old bottles to put in. Oh, 3 more UPS systems I got yesterday too, so that's good. I got another computer shop that's willing to call me and I go pick stuff up, so which is great. So anyway, just thought I'd show you. There's a tote of boards I have to sort. Yeah, and a set of snowshoes there. Those snowshoes up there on the wall, my father got for me when I was just a kid, so their sentimental values is pretty cool. But yeah, so far so good. So hope everybody has a good Friday. Remember, subscribe, share, like, and we'll catch you in the next one.